First of all, we don't recognize any dark forces. For us, there is no pandemic. For us, there is no tragedy. You know, the mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy, as Richard Bach said. We don't recognize any injustice, any tragedy, any pandemic. We are happy with doing our work. We are not going to discuss this. Role of PSSM is PSSM. Only seeing the beauty of the whole nature. We don't see the beauty of darkness. We don't see darkness at all. We don't discuss it. For us, it doesn't exist. We are blind to darkness. There the matter ends. The mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy. We believe in justice and bliss, not injustice and tragedy. We don't see that. So the matter ends there. No discussing that, because it doesn't exist. This one statement by Richard Bach, that is the only statement to come out of our mouth. The mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy. Richard Bach. Enough. This was also Harold W. Percival told in that book when he said, futility of human thinking. Futility of human thinking. Human thinking is futile because human perception is futile. Human thinking is futile. You must save yourself from your own thinking, which sees the pandemic, which sees fear, darkness everywhere. It is a result of your human thinking. And Harold W. Percival beautifully says, futility of human thinking. Last 3 days, my messages, everybody should read. It's not my messages, from Harold W. Percival, which I have written every day. Futility of human thinking. Human thinking is the villain, mind. Don't use the mind. There is nothing for the mind to work on. Mind has to be decimated. Mind has created human thinking. When you remove your own human thinking, you have removed your mind. The villain is out. This is called the futility of human thinking. What are you going to think? Which problem is there? Where is the problem? Thinking that there is a problem is the problem. There is no problem. There is no death. Then there is no problem. Where is the death? There is no death. You are seeing the pandemic, you are seeing death. You are discussing pandemic and death. Whether there is no death and there is no pandemic. There is no tragedy, there is no injustice. The mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy. Arjuna told Krishna, how can I kill my guru? How can I kill my brothers? And Krishna laughed and said, oh, how can you kill them? Yeah? No, nobody can be killed. You are a stupid fellow. Nobody can be killed. So how can Corona kill? Krishna told Arjuna, you cannot kill. There is no killing. So how can Corona kill? Where is the Krishna death there? Where is the pandemic there? When you are discussing Corona and pandemic, death, you are not understanding Bhagavad Gita's message at all. Pandemic is not the truth. Bhagavad Gita is the truth. We are here to discuss truth, not untruth. We are not here to see the pandemic or discuss the pandemic or see how we can escape the pandemic. No way. We are here only talking about Bhagavad Gita. That is the truth. And what did he say? How can you kill Arjuna? There is no killing. Nobody so far died. Nobody could kill others. Killing is impossible. That is the message of Bhagavad Gita. That is the message of PSSM. That is the message of spirituality. That is the message of Paripatri. No pandemic. No dark forces. You must have only Bhagavad Gita should come out of your mouth. Even when Socrates was drinking the poison, Socrates was speaking Bhagavad Gita. They asked, please, if you say that I have done my fault, then we will not give you poison. He refused to say, I will not say that I am at fault. You give me the poison, I will take it. So give me the corona, I will take it. So what? Socrates was not worried about the poison. He knows that there is no death. Then why you and I are worried about the poison? Today, without corona, we are on the earth planet. With corona, we will be on the astral planet. Where is the tragedy? Where was the tragedy for Socrates? Where was the tragedy for Jesus Christ? When he was nailed down, when he was crucified. The mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy. It is only belief. It's only mental concept. A belief is a mental concept. Nobody is dying. But it is the same old wine in my new cup, that's all. And I am not speaking anything new. There can be nothing new. It's only repetition of Bhagavad Gita from every enlightened people's mouth. A repetition of Bhagavad Gita ad infinitum. Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita, not pandemic, not pandemic, not pandemic, not pandemic, not pandemic, not pandemic.